A military medical team stepping in tonight as One Valley Hospital struggles with staffing shortages amid a surge in coronavirus patients. 21 Air Force personnel arriving at Eisenhower Health this afternoon. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson is there live now with the instrumental role they will be playing as coronavirus cases continue to surge. Shelby.
Well, John, from the looks of the outside, you would never imagine that inside the hospital right behind me, there is the U.S. military right now training to be able to support that staffing shortage that the hospital is experiencing right now. It's been an uphill battle. The hospital has had to deal with how they're going to treat all this surge of coronavirus cases, but now it's a new challenge. Now it's finding out or ensuring that there's an adequate amount of people to be able to treat that influx of cases. A federal team of military medical personnel arrived at Eisenhower Health Thursday, some uniformed and others in plain clothes, all ready to begin their newest mission.
Their primary mission is to support the COVID response. They're active duty military, and everything from doctors and nurses to respiratory specialists and some other support teams.
And a much needed hand. The hospital is now having to call on outside help for backup. This video shows our first look inside the Eisenhower COVID-19 ICU provided by the hospital.
We have available bed space here in the hospital, but have really run into roadblocks in trying to staff for those beds.
Eisenhower Health Chief Medical Officer Dr. Alan Williamson says they're at full capacity in the intensive care unit. Capacity for the hospital as a whole isn't trailing too far behind either.
But we're really operating at about 80 to 90% capacity.
The help now coming in at a crucial moment for a team of exhausted staff members. The goal is to keep staff shortages from impacting patient care. Just Wednesday, an advanced team was also on site.
Employee after employee literally stopped in the hallway and thanked them very much for coming. They were so appreciative of the fact that we're getting this outside help.
The new team isn't wasting any time. They'll undergo orientation before getting deployed to their respective units.
And Saturday morning, we expect them at the bedside caring for patients.
Well, the team is expected to be here for 30 days, and officials are going to evaluate the virus and see whether they're going to have to stay here longer. But coming up at 6, we're going to give you a first-hand look at what it looks like in that intensive care unit. We have some great video to show you as well, and what it looks like to be able to treat some of those most severe patients. For now, live at Eisenhower Health, I'm Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.